Hello. Welcome to Eat This There. And today I'm going to show you one of the best beaches in South Korea. That's right, it's in Busan and you can't miss it. Just look at the clear blue sky and the waters. Now I'm taking a cab ride from the Busan train station to the most popular Hyundai district in Busan, South Korea. Now, talking about train, if you're going to South Korea, I'm assuming we'll be landing at Seoul. And if you're at Seoul, you just can't miss the Seoul to Busan, the train to Busan journey, the bullet train journey. You must do it. And now, just when you arrive at Busan, just take a cab like I did. You need not download any app. You can just get any cab from the cab station over there and just tell them to go to the Hyundai beach. Better, you can use any translating app and they will take you there. And near the Hyundai beach, you will find some popular places. And if you're looking for some budget options to stay, like I did, Toyoko Inn, the chain of Toyoko Inn is preferred. You don't get good solid breakfast over there per se, but it is affordable. The rooms are sort of doable, and it makes sense. You staying at prime locations near all the five-star hotels, but you're not spending that much money. And the best part, you are staying right in front of, not in front of, at least it's like a 2 minute walk from the Hyundai beach. And mind you, if you're in Busan, if you don't want to explore a lot, you just laze around the Hyundai beach. That's like an awesome place to be. Now, Busan is one of the most important cities in South Korea. In fact, it is the second biggest city after Seoul, and it is Korea's largest and the most busiest port out there. I mean, just look at the views out there from your window. It's like it so feels awesome. You get all the ships, you get the clear blue sky and the clean blue water. It's like from dreams. Now, while I'm enjoying my cab ride to the Hyundai beach, I want to just say something about the cab experience in South Korea. It is so disciplined. There is no need to bargain, there is no need to haggle around. You pay whatever the meter shows you. No extra tax, nothing. In fact, you just have to show them the location, they will take you there. No questions asked, nothing. If you're taking a Kakao taxi over there as well, you pay whatever the meter shows you. Now, Busan being a port city, it's a lovely place to be as there are lots of beaches and great food as well. For foodies like me, this is like a paradise. Also, if you're looking for some party, the Hyundai district is the place to be. Now, if you're wondering what is this alert tone that is ringing inside the cab, well, that's a speed limit indicator and warning sign that every cab is equipped with. So every navigation app alerts you for speed traps and speed cameras, and you will have to regulate your speed accordingly. It feels so great to relive the memories of Busan. Feels like I'm still there. I wish. So finally, I have arrived at the Hyundai district in Busan. In fact, I'm standing right in front of the Hyundai beach and I'm just about to cross the road. So that right there, it's the Hyundai beach. You're gonna go there. It's like pretty cool, and just beside there is a sea life aquarium as well. You can see, yes, that's the one. And we'll be going over there as well. It's a lovely city, Busan. Like, the bullet train ride was excellent, and now this port city is like pretty busy. And one of the, after Seoul, I think it's the biggest city in South Korea. This is amazing place to be. Like, for serious, this super cool place. Like, if you have money, you can stay in hotels like this. That is just right opposite, bang opposite the beach. That's the beach. That's the time. But if you're somebody on a budget, you can just stay right beside the Hyundai metro station, and it's just like 3 minutes walk from there. And over there also you can get out rooms at much cheaper prices, more value for money, good food, and the beach is just walking distance. And as you can see, you're waiting for the light to turn green so that you can just go ahead to the beach.
The destination is on your left, Hyundai Beach. Arrived.
Just look at this place. Isn't it gorgeous? I wish I had an apartment over there, but sorry, I don't. I don't have that much money. But you know what? I can always travel around and check out cool places around the world. And just look at the entrance of the Hyundai Beach. It so feels great to relive these memories. And that's the first thing that you see when you enter the Hyundai Beach. I mean, just look at the view. Yellow sands, blue water, clear blue sky, all those pink umbrellas, and the rich people staying in their big apartments and hotels as well. Wow, I mean, like, this looks like paradise to me, at least. I mean, like, this has to be one of the best beaches in the world. So we are here at the lovely Hyundai Beach in Busan, South Korea. Look at this place. I mean, like, this is amazing. The water is cold, as you can see. No, not cold. It's normal water. It's a warm water beach, and yellow sands. That's right, and that's the city from the beach. Isn't it lovely? Oh wow! Look at the views. It's like you must do 2 beach vacations a year every day if you can. I mean, like, it's awesome. Like, I never knew that Korea had some lovely beaches, but this beach, Hyundai Beach in Busan, is one of the best in Korea. And क्या तो चीज़ है भाई, मज़ा आ गया. Now, once you're done with all the playing in the sea, you can come back, sit at the beach, and relax. You can rent out these beach chairs, like it costs around 30,000 won. It's not a lot of money, and you can have your own beer and your food, and you can chill. It's like an awesome place. Now, that's something I'm going to do very soon. As you can see, yes, so we got beach chairs like this, and we had our own beer and our food, and just look at the view. We were just letting everything soak in. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like the video. It's a new channel and I need all the support.